Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the all new POCO M6 5G with us, and in this video we are going to do a complete unboxing, check out everything inside the box, take a look at the design and share our first impressions of the budget 5G smartphone. So if you are planning to buy this POCO M6 5G, make sure to watch the video, watch the end, because I will tell you whether it's worth considering or not. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So friends, first let's check the box. Here it is, the POCO M8 branding. First let's take a quick look front. So let's open, and here we got one box here. So let's open it. So something inside this. So here we got the handset first, the smartphone, and it having the three colors. So I have ordered in this color, you can see it looks good. So let's check what inside the box accessories. So in this here, let's see first this. So here it is some user manual, and this is the SIM ejector tool, and there is a case also given. Here it is. Let's see, this is the user manual, and one silicone case is also given. So its material is quite good. You can see it is not rough and tough, or but the POCO has given it. So the case quality is okay. Let's see the another thing in the box. So here we got the type C charging cable, USB to type C charging cable in the box accessories, and here we got this 45 volt of charging adapter. So it is the fast charging adapter by the Xiaomi. So this is also good. So this is inside the box accessories. Let's open, unwrap this smartphone. So friends, now let's take a look at the smartphone. Wow, at a first glance the design look quite premium, and you can see for a budget smartphone, the large camera module on the back, it gives a modern and stylish appearance. So friends, the back panel has a glossy finish that reflects light nicely, and the phone feels comfortable in the hands, and weight distribution is quite balanced. You can see it is very lightweight. And let's take out the look on the design, friends. So on the right side we have the power button, which also doubles as a fingerprint sensor along with the volume button, and at the bottom there is a USB type C port, speaker grill, and the microphone. On the top we will get a, you can see here it is this SIM tray, one speaker, and at the top here it is microphones are there. So this is one dual speaker it has. Overall the build quality feels solid considering the price segment also. And let's talk about the display. So friends, moving to the front, the POCO M6 5G features a large 6.7-inch display with a 90 Hz refresh rate. The higher refresh rate makes scrolling smoother also, and compared to the traditional 60 Hz old displays, and color looks decent. You can see brightness appears good for indoor use. Display size is great for watching videos. You can see it looks good because of the curves it has, and gaming and browsing social medias, it is having the best experience you will get. So let's open it and check the performance of this beast. It is very lightweight. You can see it is very handy, or because of this curved skin it looks very modern. So because of the 120 Hz, it is very smooth. You can see you can just open the apps and it will open in seconds. So you can see the display is very good. So let's take a software experience also. Let's open the settings first. So here it is, about phone. So you will get all the information here. The phone boots into Android with POCO custom user interface on the top. The UI feels smooth during initial setup. App opening speeds are good. Animation looks like a fluid. You can see, you can just tap on it. so it will be the good. And we will test the software experience more thoroughly in our full review also. So let's talk about the performance, friends. So it has the power. I also tell the software also. So powering the POCO is the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus processor. It having the processor. This chipset is designed to deliver reliable everyday performance while also supporting the 5G connectivity. And for the more tasks like social media, web browsing, video streaming, and casual gaming, the phone should handle everything comfortably. So let's take a look on the camera also. So yes, the camera is also very good. Let's open it. So you will see there are lots of modes and features are here. So on the back the phone comes with 50 megapixel of primary camera setup, and for the selfies there is a front facing camera housed in the water drop notched. Here you can see, here it is the camera. So we will be testing camera quality in detail later also. Let's check the video quality here. So here it is, has the ultra HD. Click on video. So here it is 4K at 30 fps. Yes, it has 4K resolution and you can record at 30 fps. So phones look sharp with decent colors reproduction in good lighting conditions. You can see it looks very good and sharp features. Let's talk about the battery, friends. So yes, with this lightweight it has 5000 mAh of battery. That means you can expect all day battery life with normal usage. If you are a normal usage, this is the best phone you can see here. And this phone also supports fast charging, helping you get backup and running quickly when needed. So let's talk about the main points. It has premium looking design with 90 Hz display, 5G connectivity, reliable processor it has, and massive 5000 mAh battery. So that was our complete unboxing and first expressions of the POCO M6 5G. So friends, let's take a look on the speaker and video quality on YouTube. Let's play the YouTube. Here we click on this 4K video and let's click on this. So friends, here it is. You can zoom at, you can see 8x, you can zoom the highest. So let's check the quality. So you can see, you will see a very better quality here. Let's click on settings and check the highest quality. So here we can play 2160p at 60 fps. So this is the best. You can see the screen is very good. Let's play the song also. So friends, let's play the song. So here is the full volume. So friends, I hope you like this video. And the speaker is also very decent. So it's having less bass but the volume is good at 300 percentage. The overall phone is very decent and good. I hope you like this video and let me know in the comment section what you want and think about the smartphone, and whether you will like to see a gaming test or a camera test comparison or full review. So friends, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification so you have never miss an upload. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace.